Traders, it's September 5th, 2018. It's after the market close. It's a Wednesday. It's throughout Labor Day week. Haven't reported on CELZ for, a couple of trading days now. I figured I'd provide another update. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. So ticker symbol CELZ. We've been watching her for quite a while. Remember the bottoms and tops. I recommend you guys to watch the tutorials from the beginning on my site, thetradingteacher.com. And then you'll see popular hashtags on the bottom, popular ticker symbols. Just click on any of them and you can watch them from day one till present day. Okay? So CELZ, this downtrend right here, remember when I said it's broken, it finally broke, it popped, and I said, oh, pay attention to the resistance. There could be sellers around here, and that's what happened like clockwork. Instead, this downtrend is now the new support level, and it did that. You see how it's trading just above it? Now, pay attention to this level, because I said in my previous tutorial, well, if she does drop, she can bounce off this level and then head higher, but it'll be a more longer term, and it'll be a more longer term bottom, where she could do something like this, and then like this, then pop like this, then start going up like that. Okay? I hope that explains it to you. It's a little too early to determine if she'll just pop right here and do a short-term reversal and head higher, or is going to be more longer term. Okay? And what I mean by that, so I swing trade penny stocks. I also day trade them if they perform really well for the day. And what I mean by long term, you know what, stock I shouldn't hold no longer than 3 months. That's long term. And I'm not in this position. I'm just watching it for a couple of my followers that are in CELZ. Just giving an update for all the individuals. Pretty much letting you guys know that I understand this trading language, and if you really want to know, you can take my live trading course. But it's still going this trend, and remember, X marks the spot. At that point, when she reaches that level, she should have her bounce going back upwards. Now, it could be a high up move, or just an up move to stabilize this upcoming reversal, maybe for a longer trend. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, and visit my site, thetradingteacher.com.